Hey, what's up everybody? It's a new year and we are back with the first Proto Tech Tip of 2025. Now we're going to kick things off with a Protocase Designer tutorial, and in a previous video I showed you how to import components into your design. So for this video I'm going to show you how to use the component projection feature to precisely create cutouts for those imported components. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned, in a recent Proto Tech Tip video, we covered how to import components in Protocase Designer. If you missed it, no problem, we're going to add the link in the description below. Now when you add these components inside the software, the next thing that you're likely going to do is to then create cutouts on the faces to align with those components' inputs. Now in order to do this the easy way, we're going to use the component projection feature in Protocase Designer. Component projection is a feature in the software that displays an outline of your component's inputs when editing other faces in your Protocase Designer assembly. The feature ensures that you can align and place your cutouts way more accurately within your design. Now, apart from improved accuracy, this tool will also streamline your workflow, helping you avoid the trouble of having to flip between multiple views. So enough talking, let's just dive into how to use this feature. So first in the software, we need an enclosure with the component already imported inside. Now we're going to want to head on over to the face editor. You could do this by selecting Edit Face in the 3D viewer and then clicking on the face that you want to add the cutout to. And for this example, with our components imported here, we're going to want to choose this face. Then once you're in the face editor, you can easily make the cutouts you need using the cutout tool. You could choose from options like circles, ellipse, rectangles, path, line, or arc, whatever works best for your design. Now, we do have tutorials that explain how to use all those features, and those playlists will be linked in the description below. Now, you also have the option to pick commonly used cutouts from the library drop-down menu in the right-hand corner. Now, once you know which cutouts you're going to need based on the enclosure's components inside, you'll want to make sure that you position them just right in relation to the component on the inside. Now this is where the component projection feature really does come in handy. So to use this feature, click on the View tab in the toolbar. It's up at the top left corner of the window. You're going to see a Components section on the screen. Just make sure that the Show Outline option is checked. Now to control the amount of detail that's going to be shown in your component projection outline, just use the slider. The farther to the right that you slide, the level of detail will increase. You can see exactly where the component is on the other side. Now an important tip when doing this is that you can use the zoom in and zoom out feature under the View tab in the face editor to get a closer look for more precision. Or if it's easier, just scroll with your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Now at this stage, if needed, I can also edit the dimensions and the size of the cutout. So once I'm satisfied with the position of the cutout, I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. Then once back in the 3D viewer, I just rotate the enclosure to check if the cutout is in the right spot. If it's off, no worries, I can quickly go back and adjust its position and size using the component projection feature again. Now don't forget, if your design in Protocase Designer has no design issues, you can get an instant quote right away. Just head to the 3D viewer, click on Instant Quote, and click on Go. It's just as simple as that. You'll be redirected to My Account where your quote will be ready. If you don't have a My Account profile yet, just make sure to register first so that you can access your quotes among many other features that your My Account portal offers. So if you do have any questions about Protocase Designer, feel free to reach out to us at info@protocasedesigner.com. Our team of experts are always ready to help. If you haven't already heard about upgrading to Protocase Designer Enterprise for a whole new level of collaboration and support, learn more at the links in the description below. And that's a wrap for today's Proto Tech Tip. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tech tip videos. See you next time, and take care.